to make a purple pancake today. But well, the first part of doing the pancake, doing the I mean making the mixture using a instant mix pancake product, and adding some food coloring, using blue and red to mix so it could be purple. At first, the mixture became purple in my eyes, but later on when I put the pancake in the pan and started cooking it, didn't give me the result that I wanted to. Didn't become purple at all. I mean, there's purple, but the heat burned the surface of the pancake, so it kind of turned the pancake into brownish color. So yeah, this is my first time of doing a purple pancake. Maybe I could make it better in the future. I'll find a way to make it really look purple. Anyway, I'm not really happy with the result, but I'll try to make it better in the future. So if you want more of this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for dropping by, and see you in more of my vlogs in the future.